This is a pen drive. This is a slide.
Hi Navid. Hi Navid.
Hi.
Yeah.
Your voice is breaking. It's not smooth.
Hello, Navid.
Yeah, hello. Yes.
Are you getting me?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but your voice is breaking. It's not smooth.
Okay. Last. सोमो उसको वॉइस थोड़ा अच्छा सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है फोन पे. ओके जस्ट वेट.
Okay.
वो कान में लगाने वाला दीजिए. वो छोटा दीजिए तो उसको बोलिए अच्छा सुनाई.
Speak it loud. Yeah, now it is audible.
Yeah, it's kind of good now.
Okay, go ahead.
Better.
Thank you. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Hello Navid.
Hello.
Yeah, this is Vinod here. Hello.
Hey, Vinod.
Yeah,
Yes.
I am here trainer for data science and machine learning. Hello Navid.
Yes, I can hear you. Yeah. Yes, Vinod, go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. So, can you tell me about your background, in which domain currently you are working?
Sure. Vinod, I have 10 plus years of experience in data warehousing.
Yeah.
Right now, I am data integration manager. So I work in USA as well. So right now, I want to take my career to different path. So that's why I'm learning data science with R with some other tools.
Okay. So currently you want
I
to switch
started
to
with
data science.
yes,
So you have some basic ideas about statistics.
yes, little bit. I used to when I was a developer and lead, I used to do some stats and forecasting. Um, Even like because most of my career is in retail domain.
Okay.
And yeah, so most of the sometimes promotions, forecasting, and all that things I have done, but not to that extent that it counts as like data science.
Okay. You maybe you do not have experience in predictive modeling like that.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Yeah. And do you have some basic idea about machine learning?
Um, what do you mean by machine learning?
Machine learning, actually, in data science, some machine learning algorithms are required. We will cover
Uh-huh.
that machine learning algorithms in this course also.
Okay.
So, suppose some algorithms like k-means is required, a priori algorithm is required, some concepts of decision tree and random forest are required. So, we will cover
Mhm.
in our course.
Okay, I know about like how algorithm works and everything, but like if we are talking about specific algorithms, uh, I don't know with the respect to
Okay,
data
we
science.
will cover.
Yeah.
Just you will
Okay.
see. And means you do not have such experience in machine learning till now.
No, not really, Vinod. Yeah.
Suppose you have seen some product in Flipkart. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Suppose you have searched some paint or any item in Flipkart. Then it will
Right,
show other related items in your page. I'm right.
right,
Yeah.
right. It will suggest some, yeah, it will suggest something like the products I may be interested in. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Similarly, maybe someday you have seen that YouTube videos also. If you will see any videos, then they will display other videos related to that in YouTube also.
Right,
Yeah.
exactly.
We will search, suppose Narendra Modi's video, then it will show other related videos to Narendra Modi.
Right.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
These concepts are based on machine learning algorithms.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Suppose you have visited one shopping mall. Okay.
Uh-huh.
In that shopping mall, items are arranged in a particular way. Suppose milk is placed in first place. After that, bread. After that, suppose other items X, Y, Z, any items. Okay.
Right. Mm-hmm.
So why that required for that shopping mall to increase their business revenue? I am right.
Right, exactly. Yeah.
For that, what they have to do, they have to know buying patterns of the customers, how customers are buying their products. According to that, they will arrange that items. Okay. Hello.
Right.
Suppose any
Yes.
customer first buys milk, after that bread, after that X, after that Y or Z item. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose I have means placed suppose milk after that X item and Y item, but customers buying pattern is bread after milk. Then it is difficult to find for the customers that bread and butter,
Mm-hmm.
because in between that items I put X and Y items. Okay.
Right.
In that case, that shopping mall will lose their revenue, lose their business. Okay, so they
Right.
have to arrange the customers. They have to arrange the items according to the buying patterns of the customers. Okay,
Right.
uh, in this case, we can use one machine learning algorithm that is called a priori algorithm. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
are you getting?
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm getting that. Yeah.
In this case,
Yeah, we actually I work in one of the company that did all this retail arrangement as well. Like,
yeah,
they do,
same
yeah,
concept.
they do the demo and set up the shelves and everything related to some pattern. You
Yeah,
are exactly right. They look
yeah.
at the customer pattern. Yeah, I don't know, like it's based on some algorithm. That should be based on something, but I was not known about that algorithm. What is the name of that algorithm?
A priori algorithm. APRIRORI algorithm. A priori
Yeah,
algorithm.
fine.
It is
Okay,
one kind
priority.
of unsupervised machine learning algorithm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Unsupervised. Okay.
One kind of unsupervised machine learning algorithm. From this
Sure.
algorithm, you can find patterns of the customers, how they are buying products.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Means you can apply these algorithms in that Flipkart product or YouTube videos, any kind of any such kind of events you can apply this algorithm. Okay.
Sure. Uh-huh.
Okay. Suppose you can use this algorithm in insurance sector also, in
Mhm.
forensic sector also.
Okay.
Okay, how in forensic domain you can use this algorithm. Suppose a person involved in a crime, suppose in murder. Okay,
Mhm.
hello, are you getting?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Yeah.
Yes.
After that, suppose he involved in other X crime. After that,
Uh-huh.
suppose in Y crime. Now, what chance be there that he will involve in fourth crime? What fourth crime
Okay.
will be for him? Okay,
Sure. Uh-huh.
you can find the association among the that crimes, and you can suppose NGOs or other government organization can approach him for counseling, so that he will not involved in fourth crime. Okay.
Sure. Uh-huh.
Okay, in that case, what we will do? We will suppose this shopping mall scenario. We will take shopping mall scenario. In this scenario, what we will do? We have data, the transaction data from suppose 2010 to 2015. Okay,
Okay.
okay, 2010 to 2015 data we have. Okay, are you getting?
Okay.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
that shopping mall have the data from 2010 to 2015. Okay,
Hmm.
now you are finding the patterns, buying patterns of the customers in 2016.
Sure.
Okay, so you have the data from 2010 to 2015. You have to
Okay.
analyze that data, and you have to approach this machine learning algorithm, and you have to find the buying patterns of the customers.
Sure.
And according to that, you can arrange that items, your items in 2016.
60. Sure.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah.
Now, think other one example. Suppose you are working in a bank. Okay,
Hmm.
so your bank is facing problem on that bad loan. You know about bad loan, no?
Right. Yes, I
Yeah,
know about
bad loan.
bad luck.
So that bank want to build a model. That bank is asking you to build a model uh, so that we can minimize our failure in that bad loan. So
Sure.
we can recover that loan amount from the customers in future cases. Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So suppose your client is suppose HDFC Bank.
Hmm.
They want to about they want to know about the loan failure ratio and what parameters they have to consider before granting the loan application. Okay, sir.
Sure.
So
Yeah.
from that, they ask you to build a model. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Suppose they have provided their data loan that customers who have taken loan, their data they will provide to you. Suppose they will provide the data from 2014 to 2015. Okay, this
Right.
2 years data they provide to you. Okay, sir.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now
Yes.
you from that data you have to build a model.
Right.
Okay, suppose that data look like this. Suppose that customer ID first column. Okay,
Uh-huh.
okay, second column is suppose age of that
Right.
customer who has taken loan
Uh-huh.
from you. Third column, suppose you have some other income.
Hmm.
Suppose you have other uh, variable, suppose number of family members in other column,
Sure.
and suppose you will get one final column that will mention that suppose remarks. In remarks, bank put that yes and no binary
Okay.
outcome. Suppose yes and no. Yes means if bank recovered loan from those customers in 2014 and 15, then that
Okay.
column mention yes. If they could not recover that loan from that customer, then no. Okay,
Sure.
that data you already have in from 2014 to 2015. Okay, okay,
Right.
sir.
Hmm.
Hello, okay, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now you are working with HDFC Bank in 2016. Now
Uh-huh.
from data from 2014 to 2015, you have to analyze and you have to build a model. In this cases, we can use one popular technique, one statistical or machine learning technique that is called logistic regression. Have you ever
Okay.
this?
Yeah, regression,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Actually,
Yeah.
there are two types of regression generally we have. One is linear
Uh-huh.
regression, another is logistic
Yeah.
regression.
Okay.
Okay, sir. In this case, we use logistic regression. Okay, sir.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Why logistic regression? Actually, when your output or your event is based on binary outcomes, then we can use logistic regression. Okay, sir. Here we have
Okay.
binary outcomes like this one, yes
Yes
or
or
no.
no.
Whether a bank
Okay. Yeah.
recovered that loan from that customer. Okay, sir.
Right.
Yes or no. So we have binary
Right.
outcomes in this event. Okay, sir.
Right.
So in this case, we can use logistic regression. The benefit of
Okay.
using logistic regression is it will give two kinds of output. One in the binary form, whether a bank will grant that application or not in future cases, yes or no. Okay,
Hmm.
sir. Okay,
Right.
sir. Are you getting, sir?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, it will logistic regression will give two kinds of output. One in yes no forms, in binary forms, or in zero one.
Right.
Okay, sir. In
Yes.
in other cases, it will give some probability also. You know what
Uh-huh.
chance will be there for recovering. It will give the result in probability also. Suppose in zero point
Okay.
0.5, 0.6 on any in any form.
Uh-huh.
Okay, sir? Then you
Okay.
know, suppose bank will set threshold, suppose 0.7, beyond that they will grant that application. Then
Uh-huh.
you can set threshold value, suppose 0.75. That indicates that 75% chance is there that bank will recover that loan from that customers.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Oh,
Sure.
yeah, you can build that model from that existing customers. Okay, sir, and you can use
Yes.
that model for your future reference.
Right.
Okay, sir.
Uh-huh. So based on the data, we are creating using some
Yeah,
algorithm
yeah,
and we are creating a model and we are using that model as a pattern for future for
yeah,
that bank.
yeah.
Okay.
You told that you have used some forecasting techniques. No, sir.
Yeah, but it was, yeah, I mostly in the promotions of the products because at that time I was like a ETL developer
Okay.
and yeah, so predicting the promotion like depending on the season, the hands-on inventory and all that, using that there was like a prediction like oh this product will go on promotion, this product is like can we put this product on the promotion or we take off the shelf or like this.
Okay, sir. So, okay, sir. So I will cite one example for you. Okay, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Suppose you are working in suppose you are working in X company.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose they have one aviation project. Okay, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose Bangalore airport infrastructure project you have. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay, sir. Suppose their business motive is to develop their infrastructure for 2020.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sir. For that, what they have to know? They have to know how many air traveler will be with them in 2020.
Right.
Okay, sir. According to that, they have to develop this entry point, exit points, and other seating arrangements. Other suppose any other project they have to develop according to that
Right.
air travelers number. But you are
Right.
in 2016, so you have to predict how many air traveler will be with you in 2020. Okay, sir.
Okay.
So
Yes.
in this case, you can use one technique that is used in data science or statistics that is called time series analysis. Okay, sir. The time series analysis is that when your data is plotted against time, then it is called time series analysis. In this case,
Okay.
your data is plotted against 2000, this one time. So this kind of problem
Mhm.
is called time series forecasting. Okay, sir.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So in this case, suppose your data look like this. Suppose you have data from quarter wise, quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, and quarter four. Okay, sir.
Sure. Uh-huh.
So you have data from quarterly from 2013 to 2016 second quarter. Okay, sir.
Mm-hmm.
From that, you have to predict how many air traveler will be with you in 2020.
Right.
Okay, sir. In this case, you
Yes.
can use this time series forecasting method. Popularly used one is moving average method. Okay, sir.
Uh-huh.
And another is ARIMA model. ARIMA, ARIMA. ARIMA model we can use in this case.
Uh-huh.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, these kinds of problems that we can implement in real cases. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Suppose again I will cite another one. Suppose you are working in X company. Your client is suppose HDFC Bank. Okay, sir,
Mm-hmm.
and they want to build a model for their credit card marketing plan. Okay, sir.
Sure. Uh-huh.
They want a model for their credit card marketing plan. Okay, sir.
Uh-huh.
So you have to build a model for them. Okay, okay, sir. So
Okay.
what they will do, they will provide their existing customers data who have
Mm-hmm.
taken, who have credit cards with HDFC Bank. They will provide
Right.
customers data, suppose 2014 and 15. Okay, sir.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so you have to analyze this 2014 and 15 data, and you have to build a model. Okay, sir.
Right.
Means suppose what happened in this case, HDFC have means market potential customers is too large. Why?
Mm-hmm.
In India, uh, 130 population of India is 130 crore, right, sir?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So if HDFC Bank will target all these people 130 crore, then that is waste of time, waste of money, waste of energy, and okay, sir.
Right.
Yeah. So what they want to do? They want to target limited number of customers. Okay,
Right.
from this 130 crore. Okay, sir.
Right.
So in this case, they what they will do, they will use this existing customers data they
Right.
already have from suppose to the it's an example 2014 to 2015. Okay,
Right.
so you are
Mm-hmm.
working in X company, so they will provide
Right.
data from 2014 to 2015. Okay, so
Right.
in this case, we can use one algorithm that is called decision tree. Okay, sir.
Uh-huh.
Okay, sir.
Right.
In this case, what this decision tree will do. This decision tree will based on two functions. One is called entropy, and another is information gain. When we will
Uh-huh.
later discuss on this problem, decision tree, we will elaborate this entropy and information gain. Okay, sir.
Sure.
So,
Sure.
suppose as an example, this decision tree will segment this existing customers' data. Suppose you have from 2014 to 2015. In it will divide in two segments. Suppose one is profitable customers, another is not profitable. Means in this existing customers, you have two types of customers. Okay, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, one is profitable customers you have. Okay, sir.
Right.
Between 2014 and 2015, you have two types of customers. Okay, sir.
Right.
Yeah, one is profitable customers you have, and another is non-profitable customers you have. Okay, sir.
Right.
So,
Right.
for building the model, you have to neglect this not profitable customers data. Okay.
Right.
Now you
Mm-hmm.
have existing customers data which are profitable for HDFC. Okay, sir.
Mm-hmm.
In this case, you have segment somewhat from one this existing customer. Okay, sir.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Now again you have to segment these profitable customers. Suppose in this case, suppose you have segmented it on the basis of age variable.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, suppose your algorithm now tell you that the customers who have age more than 35, they are more profitable than who are below 35. Okay, sir.
Right. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Right.
So again, your algorithm will segment your existing customers data in the basis of age variable above 35 and below 35.
Right.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
sir. So below 35 you neglect because you are getting business from above 35 age.
Right. Exactly.
Okay, sir.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Now your model comes on age variable. Okay.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now you have data from that who are profitable and who are above 35 age.
Non-profit. Right.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Again, this algorithm will segment. Suppose marital status.
Mm-hmm.
In the 35 age category, some people are married and some are single. Single. Okay, sir.
Right.
Okay, sir. Suppose married persons are giving more business to HDFC, single are not giving that much business. So
Sure.
you have to neglect this below 35. Oh, single
Mm-hmm.
customer. Okay.
Okay.
So your model is based on marital status, that is married.
Right.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now what is your model in this case? Target those customers, okay, sir,
Mm-hmm.
who are above 35 age, okay, sir,
Right.
and married.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we can
Uh,
segment,
uh,
this model in other variables, suppose income or anything, number of family members, anything. Okay, sir. So shortly, you will
right.
form a model. That is your conclusion is that target those customers who are above 35 age and married. In this case,
Right.
your model output is this.
Vinod, I have a question.
Okay, sir.
All this like time series, logical regression, decision tree, it's based on some of the decisions, like if based on time, or for example, in the decision tree, as you mentioned, we have large set of data, and we are getting subset from that large set of data based on like profitable, non-profitable.
Yeah,
Then we reduced it by age, then marital status,
yeah,
all that. So all this predictive, like all these things that like how who will tell like if the age of 35 are more successful or more profitable customers,
yeah. Okay,
or more like they will pay the loan back, or it's like they can pay the credit card payment. Who
okay.
will make that decision? Is it like the bank business, we get the requirement from them, or is it like it's our some there is something that we use as a standard pattern? For example, if we already have somebody already did all this algorithm or decision tree
Yeah,
thing for some of the banks, and we are using that as a basis.
yeah,
Or for example, because for example, HDFC Bank may be different from ICICI Bank.
yeah,
Probably they have age group above 25 and less than 35 doing more of the credit card shopping, and probably they are paying at least the minimum payment on time.
yeah,
So
yeah.
who will make a decision like is it 35 is more profitable, or less than 35 greater than 20 is more profitable?
Yeah. Actually, in this case, that will vary bank to bank. Suppose
Okay.
what bank will provide the data. Based on data, you have to build the model, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so we are getting the requirements, everything from the bank.
Yeah.
Like,
What
so if,
generally what we will do? Suppose you have the data for 2015. Okay, sir.
Mhm,
Oh, we have to divide the data in two sections. One is called in data science, that is called training set. Okay, sir. Suppose your data
mhm,
is not that much large. Okay, sir. In that uh,
right.
in that case, what we will do? We will put a ratio like 75 and 25. 75% we will covered in training set. Okay, sir. And remaining
Mhm,
25% we will cover for test set. If your data is too large, then we can do this ratio with 90 and 10. 90 is to 10. 90 percent data we can take as a training set, and 10% data we can take as a test set. What is training set? Actually, training says data we will use for building our model. Okay, sir.
mhm.
Hello, sir. Are you getting?
Right, right. I'm
Yeah.
hearing. Yes,
The
yes.
75% data or 90% data is called training data set. From the training data set, we will build the model. What variable is there? Okay, sir.
Okay. Uh-huh.
And remaining 25% or 10% according means that based on your data, we will
Uh-huh.
use for testing that model whether your model is right or not. Okay, sir.
Okay. Uh-huh.
First step we will follow in data science is data preparation. Data preparation. What is
Right,
data preparation? In data preparation, we have to work with. Suppose we have to work with missing values. Okay, sir. Suppose you have
right,
data, large amount of data. In between some data, you don't have values. Okay, sir.
right,
Suppose there are days or not available, like that problems you have to face. Okay, so
right, right,
this kind of problem is
right,
called missing values. Then how
right,
we have to work on that missing values. If you will leave this missing values, then your model will not be accurate. Okay, sir.
right.
You
Exactly.
will
Yeah.
get less accuracy. Okay, sir.
Yes.
So you have to
Uh-huh.
replace with other values in the place of missing values. Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir. So generally in this case, what we will do, if your data is in symmetrical distribution or normal distribution, simply we can replace that value with a mean. Okay, okay, sir, mean value.
Uh-huh.
If
Okay.
your data is not in symmetrical distribution, then we have to replace with median. Okay, sir.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Okay, sir. Suppose frequently you will encounter with outliers in this data science problems. Outliers. Okay, sir. Outlier
Uh-huh.
is that unusual values. Suppose in a column you have suppose first number is 1, second number is 3, third number is 4, suppose
Mm-hmm.
fifth number is 7. Now you have one value, suppose that is 57.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sir. This 57 is called outlier. That is unusual value for you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So in this case, you have to find what will be the minimum value and maximum value for your data. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
sir. And you have to replace these outliers, and you have to
Okay.
build the model. Okay, sir.
Okay.
When we will come to the class, then at the time we will cover this how you have to detect this outlier. We will cover that one.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Don't worry. We will
Okay.
cover one by one.
Okay.
Okay, sir. And
Uh-huh.
now your data preparation stage is finished. Okay, sir. Now you have to divide your data into two sets: training set and test set. From training set, you have to build the model. Okay, sir.
Okay.
And you have to find accuracy from your test set. How is your model? Okay, sir.
Right.
And third stage is your model evaluation stage. or validating stage. Okay, from that you have to validate how much accurate your model is. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah, popularly in this data science, we use two types of validating techniques. For classification, frequently we use this one confusion matrix. Okay, sir. For validation.
Uh-huh.
Okay, sir. In regression problem, we can use determination of coefficient technique for validating. Okay, how much your model is accurate, how much accuracy you have in your model. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, so you will get some conclusion that you have a model with accuracy rate this. Okay, sir.
Uh-huh.
Okay, sir. Now in this stage your business intelligence team will be with you. Okay, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sir. Now you have to work with your business intelligence team.
Okay.
That business intelligence team will prepare the report and they will submit to your client or whatever it is.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sure. Vinod, I think we jumped a little ahead. Can you tell me more about R, how the R scripting is, and a little bit of like how, if, for example, as we discussed, like there is 2 years of data or there is 1 terabyte of data is there,
Yeah,
how R will connect to the, like how R scripting is going to be used and how it's going to be connect, and how R looks like. It's
yeah,
like
yeah,
how the patterns look like.
yeah. R is a very easy language, sir. Maybe you work with Java or other languages, but R is easy compared to other languages, sir.
Okay,
Suppose you want to implement suppose decision tree algorithm in R. Okay, sir. In this case,
right.
what you have
Okay,
to do? You have to just type import or you have to write library. One library is called for decision tree in R. It is called R part. R part. Just you have to import this package in R, and you can work.
okay. Vinod, can you just tell me like in C or in other languages, Java's, there is a basic hello program,
Yeah,
right? Yeah, is there anything like in R that you can demo, like just to see like how with minimum set of data, how it looks like with R? Because yeah, the data science involve a lot of like inputs from the business side,
yeah,
plus some intuitive knowledge from your experience and everything. And depending on that, you will have to decide what algorithm you are going to use or what the patterns and everything. You will question it, you will look at the data first, yeah, how the data is, how the data quality is, if the
yeah,
data is accurate or it has some missing values.
yeah,
Then all this is kind of like data science involves a lot of things. But after we have the data, let's see, we have some good data and we are using 90 to 10
yeah,
ratio.
yeah,
So it's a very good data. We are using 90 to 10.
yeah,
Data quality is very good. So let's see, now we have this data.
yeah,
What is how I'm going to use that data? Because I don't know with R how R looks like. The
yeah,
other part that you explain is mostly like uh, the data science part is involving more about the data knowledge, like data analysis and analytics. So with how I'm going to combine it, I'm sorry if I'm going asking you a lot of things, but
yeah, yeah, sir.
just trying to, yeah, trying to,
No
yeah,
problem.
because
Yeah,
yeah, because I learned about mostly of all the different algorithms and everything, which at this point is doesn't make sense to me because, okay, those algorithms, if I go and type it and if I look at the theory, I
yeah,
may understand it.
yeah.
But the thing is, I would just want to feel how the
How you
pattern looks
work
like
with
and
R? Yes, sir. Suppose
yeah, it's like a hello program in C or in any other
R is
language. You
very
can,
easy compared to C. R is very easy. So R is generally one statistical software. Okay, sir.
okay,
Okay. Suppose you have to import some CSV file. Okay, sir. CSV
Okay.
file or any table file you have to import with R. Okay, sir. In this case, suppose you have to write, suppose read.csv in brackets file.choose. Then if you will enter, then it will direct you to your file. Then from that you can load
Okay.
your file.
Yeah, Vinod, if you have something ready, can you show me like just the 101 programming, like just like an hello, like okay, this is how the data looks like. It's a small set of data. This is the CSV file, and with R, like for customer ID, customer age, family members, loan, yes or no, logical. So we are using this logical regression here,
Logic.
and this is the pattern,
Yeah.
and this is the prediction that it's showing with the R, like something like this.
Actually, sir, now I am working means with another computer. In other computer, I have
Okay,
the data sets and everything. Okay, sir.
okay. Because this is mostly like theory with with data science. It's actually beneficial for me. It's not
Mm,
like I did not learn. I learned a lot with just hearing you all that. I actually learned linear regression, logical, time series,
yeah,
and then logical decision tree,
yeah,
all this. But is at this point, it's of for me, what I'm thinking is it's of no use if I don't understand how actually I'm going to see the data. How, is it like how the R is, how you explain very well with the data science part
yeah,
about the data quality and everything
yeah,
with the keeping the trainee data plus test data separate
yeah,
and everything. But just want to feel it, how it looks like. For example, with a small set CSV file,
yeah,
this is the customer ID, this is the customer name, family number, bad loan, customer, yes, bank remarks, yes or no, logical. And we are using this logical regression. This is the algorithm we are using. Or, for example, the credit card marketing that you explained very well with the decision tree,
yeah.
like yes, age is 35, no, yes, then marital status, married, non-married,
Yeah.
all that. So I just want to feel it right now, like how it looks like. You explained it very well, but I just want to feel it, how it looks like.
Actually, this slides may be not here in this system. So
You have like a PowerPoint or something that you can
yeah,
share, like,
PowerPoint I have in
yeah, this
other
was.
system. So I can mail you, sir.
Yeah, the thing, yeah, I was expecting something like a demo means some real time, at least 101 programming with R, basic C, hello, like kind of thing.
Oh, okay, sir.
So,
Just wait, sir. Just wait. 1 minute, sir.
okay,
That sir, उसका ये demo जो रखा था site.
This
Oh,
one.
ये. So now can you see the screen, sir?
just hold on, let me
Yeah,
check. Yes.
yeah. This is suppose you have to create a vector in R. Okay, sir.
Uh-huh.
In this way, you can create a vector in R.
Can you start with like some data, like this is the CSV file and this is the requirement from some client or some customer, and they want with this data some predictive analysis or forecasting, and this is how we done in R,
Okay.
something like this.
Actually, so this all I have in another system.
Okay.
So that whole
Can
process
we,
code of,
yeah, yeah, can we do it tomorrow otherwise, or like some other time whenever you
yeah,
have?
tomorrow
Because
at what
right
time?
now, just looking at the syntax or anything like creating vectors or list or anything.
Okay.
Uh,
So
for this,
tomorrow, same time, you will be available, sir?
yeah, tomorrow same time. But let's reduce it to just half an hour instead of like 1.5 hour
Oh,
to
okay, sir.
1 hour.
Okay.
Yeah, just half an hour. I just want to see how it looks like, how the demo class is. Then I will make a decision. I don't need like theory right now.
Yeah.
Just want to see how it feels like. What is the requirement? This is the requirement.
Okay.
If you are a data scientist, because I work in data warehousing, I am like involved with the BI team, and myself did like a lot of reporting and everything, as I mentioned earlier. So I don't need like basic things, even intermediate. I need advanced thing. This
Yeah.
is the data I have, and this is the R programming. This is the syntax. This is how the data looks like, and after the prediction, it looks like this.
Okay.
And different techniques for the forecasting. Like this is one set of data. This is another set of data, and we does like I just need more into. Don't need data part. I need science plus R scripting part.
Okay.
Science means what algorithm need to be used, how to identify if the quality of data for data science is good or bad, whether I have to use median values or mean values as you suggested to
Yeah.
replace with missing values, all that. So this is I'm interested in.
Oh,
Not like yeah, yeah. I don't want to dump myself with all the theory right away, you know.
okay. So
Yeah.
tomorrow, same time, I'll cover, sir, this.
Yeah, yeah, just half an hour is enough,
Oh,
you
oh,
know,
oh.
just half an hour. Just with some of the tangible like demo that
Oh,
I can actually feel it how, yeah, it's okay. This is how it is.
oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
Vinod.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
Okay.
Okay. If we are going to talk, this is our trend is right. Remember, the guy who's setting you is a professional. Next time, make sure sir, it's all the things should be in a one, right? आपके पास में machine है ना? तो next time से कोशिश करना अपनाने के लिए. Whenever you're going to talk, just unmute first. यहाँ पे देखिए, ठीक है? ऐसा कुछ आएगा, पहले उसको unmute कर दीजिए. और नहीं, उसको वो नहीं बोल पाएगा, right? If you're going to discuss anything, right? अपने आप को म्यूट कर दीजिए.